Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna make a video. This is my first video. Make a Facebook, creating a Facebook account content. So it's very simple and it's very quick and easy. So I'm gonna show you right now. So first of all, we go to Chrome, Google Chrome, and then from search bar you just search the website of Facebook, and we go there, and from here we will sign up. Only this. So let's create a name. My name is Bob Arum, and we're gonna use just a mobile number. If you have already an email, so you can use that as well, but here I'm gonna use a phone number on my mobile number. So first you're gonna put your country code, and then you're gonna put your phone number, 5095420, and then after that you're gonna create your password, and then you're gonna put your birth. This one for example only, guys, so just to show you. And then after that, gender, name. Once you finish this filling up, you go here, down here, click sign up button. I hope it's gonna work. And once you finish, they will send you a verification code. So look up to your phone. They will send you a text message with a code. So 62606. So it says like this. Then click continue. Then wait for a few minutes on. And then confirmation account successfully, and then just click OK. So we are in. Now we will just set up our Facebook account. Yes, you can put your picture here and start adding your friends. Basically, once I finish filling up, once I get in, I start setting up my security log, my privacy, because once you create your account, this setting is in default settings. So it's like it's public default settings. So if you are a private person, I must change this to private. For example, this one, who can see your friend list. So you can put this my friends only, friends specific, or only something like that. So that's it, guys. That's pretty much it. We're done. So thank you for watching, and hope you find this video helpful, and see you in the next video. God bless everyone. Bye bye.